In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check uploaded files to Google Drive quickly and easily. If you've ever uploaded something and then couldn't find it later, this guide will help you locate it in just a few steps. We'll cover the easiest places to look, how to use the search bar, and where Google Drive stores different types of files. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to drive.google.com and sign in with the Google account that you used to upload the file. This is important because Google Drive only shows the files connected to the account you're currently using. Once you're on the main Drive homepage, the fastest place to check is the Recent section in the left-hand sidebar. Click Recent to view files sorted by when they were last opened or uploaded. This is especially helpful if you just uploaded something and want to confirm that it went through successfully. If you still don't see the file, use the search bar at the top of the screen. You can search by file name, file type, or even the owner of the file. Type in a keyword that matches the file you uploaded, then click Search or press Enter. Google Drive will scan your files and bring up matching results, which can save a lot of time if you have a large drive library. Now, if the file still doesn't appear where you expect it, check the main storage areas inside Drive. The first one is My Drive. This is the default location for all files you upload directly from your own account. If you uploaded the file yourself, there's a very good chance it will be here. Next, check Shared with Me. If someone else uploaded the file and shared it with you, it won't necessarily appear in My Drive. Instead, it may be listed under Shared with Me, which is where Drive keeps files that others have given you access to. Another place to check is Computers. If you use Google Drive for desktop, any files synced from your computer may show up under the Computers tab. This is useful if you uploaded files through Drive Sync instead of manually dragging them into the web version. So to recap, the best way to check uploaded files is to start with Recent, then use Search, then verify My Drive, Shared with Me, and Computers depending on how the file was uploaded. If you follow those steps, you'll usually find your file very quickly, and if you ever want to double check whether an upload completed properly, these sections are the first places you should look. If this guide helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.